Alright, so we're going to get started with review part 2. A lot of you guys were telling me that you guys wanted to see a review on the videos because you needed to study a little bit more. By the way, shout out to whoever just came in and interrupted my long video. That was a sad story. So, by the way, this is part 2 or attempt number 2 to do my video. Kind of interesting. People don't realize I'm making a video. They think I'm talking to myself or something. But anyway, first thing you want to do is you want to solve for y. So you're going to do minus 3x. So you have 4y greater than negative 3x minus 6. And then you're going to divide by 4, so you can leave the y by itself. So you have y greater than negative 3 over 4x. And I'm going to turn this into a decimal. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5, so that I can easily find it on the graph. Now again, I'm not sure if they're going to give you an x and y axis already, but if they don't, just draw your own. Now you're going to start here at negative 1.5, which is about there, and then you're going to use your rise over run, so negative 3 over 4. This is negative, so you're going to go down, and then this is positive, so you're going to go to the right. I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's right here. And then this symbol tells me that it is a dashed line because there's no little line at the bottom. It doesn't have a line there. Okay, so I'm going to make a dashed line. And then this symbol is also a greater than symbol, so that means that I am going to shade above. Again, remember that one way you can remember is if you can make that symbol with your right hand. That's a greater than symbol, so you're shading above. Then I'm going to do the same thing for this equation here. So I have 2x minus 3y greater than 4. So I'm going to start by solving for y, minus 2x minus 2x. I have negative 3y greater than negative 2x plus 4. And then finally divided by negative 3. Now because you divided by negative, you flip the sign. Negative 2 divided by negative 3 is positive 2 over 3x. And then again, I'm going to leave this as a decimal just because it's going to be easier for me to find it on the graph. Negative 1.33 is around there. And then I'm going to rise 2, run 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, that's about there. This symbol does not have a line there, so I mean it is a dashed line. And because it is a less than symbol, I am going to shade below. Okay, now notice that there's an area that is shaded with both colors. That area would be here. This is where my solution is at. Okay. Let's go on to problem number 2. It says find the slope of the equation and the equation of the line below. So on this one, remember I told you they separated into 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. The first part is the y-intercept. Okay, that is this point right there. That's your y-intercept, which in this case is 2. So B equals 2. And then also, the next thing they ask you for is a slope. So that is your rise over run. So I'm going to pick 2 points, maybe this one and that one, and I'm going to rise 1, run 2, and it's a positive line, so my slope is 1 over 2. That's my m. Next thing I need to do is write the equation. And in order to write the equation, I need to put it in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So m, I said, was 1 over 2, and then b is 2 from these answers that I just got. So that's my answer. And then the last thing they're going to ask is for the x-intercept. The x-intercept happens to be right there. So my x-intercept is 4. Okay. In the last problem for review part 2 is graphing the equation using a table of values. So they're gonna give you a graph already pretty much made. These numbers 0, 1, 2, they're already gonna be there. They might do other numbers, but they're already gonna tell you which ones they want. Those are the x's, and then here you're gonna have 3x minus 1 and y. All you gotta do is plug this in. 3 times 0 is 0, minus 1 is negative 1. 1 times 3 minus 1, that's 3 minus 1, which is 2. And then 3 times 2 minus 1, that's 6 minus 1, that's 5. So now all you have to do is go to your graph. Hopefully yours is better than mine. And you're going to plot your points 0, 0, negative 1. So I'm going to go to 0, negative 1. 0, negative 1 is right there. Then I'm going to go to 1, 2. That's my next point. 1, 2. 1, 2 is right there. And then the last one, 2, 5. So 2, 5 is right here. Connect them and you are done. Okay. If you want to try these other problems on your own, you can. So this would be the problem for number 4. You can just pause the video, copy it down, and go ahead and do it on your own paper. This is the problem you were doing for number 5. Pause the video and do it on your own paper. And this is the video you will be doing for the question you will be doing for number 6. Did I keep saying video the whole time? I don't know. But this is the one for number 6. Pause the video and do it on your own paper. Alright, let me know if you have any questions. You can comment at the Google Classroom, and then all of us will be able to help you, student and teacher. Alright, so I'll talk to you guys on review part 3.